Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export your Zoom meetings as recordings, for example, from your Zoom account in 2026. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is let me just close that Zoom meeting here. What you want to do is navigate to the web application of Zoom, log into your account, and here in the left panel navigate to recordings. And there are two ways how you can save your recordings: in the Zoom Cloud or locally on your device, or you may navigate or remove them to the trash folder, of course. So if you'd like to save them on your device, you will find them here, for example, and also the start time of the given meeting, the name of the meeting ID, and also the device here, as well as the location on the device. So you may open the given recording from here or export the entire list, for example, by clicking into export here. And that is going to save your Zoom recordings list as a CSV on your device. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.